Futures and options are financial instruments that allow investors to hedge against risk or speculate on the price movements of various assets. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell a specific asset at a predetermined price on a future date. These contracts are often used by farmers to lock in prices for their crops or by investors to speculate on the direction of the market. Futures can be traded on a variety of assets, including commodities, stocks, and currencies. Options, on the other hand, give investors the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specified price within a certain time frame. There are two types of options: call options, which give the holder the right to buy an asset, and put options, which give the holder the right to sell an asset. Options can be used to hedge against risk or to speculate on the price movements of an asset. Both futures and options are traded on exchanges, where buyers and sellers come together to trade these contracts. These financial instruments can be complex and risky, so it is important for investors to understand how they work before trading them.